Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lacey and welcome to Living with Lacey. So in today's video, we are going to look at my order that I just received from Cloth and Paper for my 2023 inserts. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm using for 2023, yes, it is time to start looking at 2023. If you're interested, then just keep watching. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything out of here. I'm not sure if this is all I'm getting for 2023, but this is all I need from Cloth and Paper. So, all right, so we have here, take care of your thoughts when you're alone and your words when you're with people. That's a word right there. And then there's another journaling card that says, since we cannot change reality, let us change the eyes which we see reality. And of course, I have my receipt. Put this over here to the side. Looks like I got quite a bit. We'll see. I have been ordering every year from CMP for maybe about 3 years now. And I love their product. I love everything that they have. And so, of course, as I'm getting ready for 2023, of course, I place an order with them. Now, let me just tell y'all this. I do start looking at 2023 in October. I can let you know right now that Cloth and Paper usually has a huge Black Friday sale in November. So stay tuned for that if you haven't picked up your inserts yet. But I am thinking through all of my major planners that I plan on using, and I just want to make sure that I have everything that I need. There are some people that they're like, hey, this is what what I have right now is working, and that's fine. You just have to decide what you need. And I do think right now is a great time to start doing that. Another thing it's a good time to start doing is trying different layouts. I would suggest going to Etsy and finding a printable, or you can go to, I believe it's the Planner Spot. I believe she has a lot of printables, but go try a new insert so you can see at the beginning of the year if there's something new you want to try. So this is the Focused Planner Dashboard, and this is for the CMP Spiral Planners. Y'all know, or maybe you don't know, every November we receive a spiral in our subscription box from Cloth and Paper, and I loved this dashboard last year, so I decided to go ahead and get it for this year's because I'm going with I don't know, a lot of black, I guess, black and grays. Oh, that feels good. And so this is going to fit right into the spiral because I want this to be the front of the spiral. All right, the next thing I have is my ministry planner, which is an A5. And y'all, I didn't need to buy a lot. I just need to buy a little bit for each planner. Every planner gets a little present. So this is I want to give y'all the correct name for it. So if you try to order it, this is the Crystal Clear Inbox Planner Dashboard. And this is for my half letter. And so, y'all, this is really beautiful too, especially when you peel off the plastic, that you get a little glimpse into that. It's so pretty. So let's keep with the half letter. Then I ordered Horizontal Weekly Undated. This year, I used a variety of weekly inserts in my half letter. And so I think for 2023, I'm going to keep with at least 2 of those. So this is the Horizontal Weekly, and it has a Monday start because that works for me, Monday start. This layout works really well for me. So I love that it's Monday, of course, through Friday right here. This is more like work and chores and things like that. And I like how my Saturday and Sunday are grouped together. And then we have priorities, looking at next week, and then just a memo right here. So this is undated. I will tell you that last year, I believe I bought the dated, and sometimes I didn't need a weekly. And so I felt like I was just wasting a lot of paper. So I'm working on getting more undated inserts. All right, so that's for half letter. And then we have the monthly 2023 dated monthly. So it said it's a Monday start, year at a glance, monthly overview, and note pages. I know some people like to have a Sunday start, but I like my Saturday and Sunday group together. So this planner belongs to, I'll probably use my Cricut to put something here. And then down here it says name, address, phone number, email, and a memo. Next page is notes. And then there's a year at a glance, which is great because I always purchase one of these. So here's a year at a glance for 2023. Y'all, my birthday's on a Friday. And then it comes with holidays and observances. And usually what I do here, I go through and highlight the ones that I definitely want to focus on for the year. All right, so then we have a dashboard, beautiful dashboard for January. It has goals, intentions, bills due, and then you still can do a running to-do list for the month. And this is the layout that I love. I know some of you are saying, it wasn't enough space for me to write. It is plenty of space for me to write. I'm like, write smaller. I love this space, being able to have important dates and notes down here. And then, of course, it gives you the month before and the month after. That's what January looks like. This is February. And these were looking darker, right? These are kind of light this time. The dashboards. This is March. I like the grayscale to it. April. May. June. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty. July. Summer vibes. Then we have August. September. October, November, and December. Feels like there's something else back here. Oh, it is. So after December, then we have notes, a notes page, and then we have passwords. Then it has a contact list back here, and that's it. Okay, I love this monthly. I'm so excited to use that monthly. All right, so now I have my A5, which is my ministry planner. I only use it for ministry as far as taking it to church, taking notes in there, any meetings that I have. I saw this. I actually put a planner together for a friend's wife, and I can link that below so you can see how that planner turned out. It was beautiful. But when I put this at the front of her A5, y'all, in the clear, it had the clear, the vinyl, the 6-ring vinyl clear planner. It was absolutely gorgeous, yes. And so I was like, I didn't know that was going to look that pretty. It is gorgeous. So I went ahead and purchased it for myself. Okay, when this is over, y'all, I'm putting it right back in the plastic because I want to make sure my stuff is just keeping well. All right, the next thing that I purchased is a new Sarasa Dry Drift Grip Pen 0.5. I have one of these for almost all of my planners. I also get the refills either from C&P or Amazon, and so I love this pen. Make sure start out with just a new one. All right, then my mini, of course, she needed some love. So I wanted to make sure I got my mini some things. But this is the inbox. Once again, it's just like the clear inbox that I have for my half letter. So I got an inbox. Then I got the monthly admin. If you've seen this before, I've decided, okay, this is what I decided, guys. Inside of my half letter, I have my month on one page, and then I also have my monthlies, just like, you know, this one right here that you just saw. I decided to take the month on one page out of my half letter and then just put that in my mini. So this is very small because I'm only going to use tiny little icons, and so I think this is going to work because sometimes I have my mini with me and I'm like, I I need to know what's going on for like the month ahead. And so I'm just going to put all these in here for the whole month. This is where I can write down some upcoming events. And I think that's going to work to take some things out of my half letter, put it in my mini, because the mini is just important as my half letter. So I'm excited about this. I almost forgot that I ordered this too. Last night I was sitting there thinking, I knew what I wanted to do, but I was like, did I place that order? Yay, I did. So this is monthly admin. Here will be important dates. This is task, and this is anything for next month. So excited. All right, I already showed you the horizontal weekly half letter. This is the same thing for my mini. Like I said, my weeklies, I'm going with undated just to make sure. I'd rather go ahead and order some more than to keep, not using things like this. I think undated is going to work pretty well for me. So here we go. All right, this is the next thing I have. So excited. I decided in my mini I was going to go with a daily. And the reason I'm going to go with the daily is because, I don't know, I just felt the need for it. Options, people, options. I feel like on the weekends, I need something like this to help me with scheduling, cleaning, and all that. This, of course, will still be on the week. I want to make sure that my half letter, my mini and my half letter, when it comes to my weekly, will mirror each other, and I'm okay with that. But when it comes to my dailies, this is mainly for the weekend because I put my half letter up on the weekends and I use my mini more. So this, can y'all tell? I thought through this. I'm really thinking through this and really trying to make sure that I'm getting more bang for my buck, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm using everything possible and not having all these leftover things. So that's just important to me. So guys, this is everything that I got for cloth and paper. This is everything I ordered. Believe it or not, it seems like a little small order. It was not small. It was not small, but all of these things are relevant. So when you see another unboxing of something else, that's going to be probably from Infinite Lotus, Elamon Paper Co., a couple of things from the Planner Spot. I don't know, these are the necessities, right? So if there's anything else I need, it's just because it's something I want. The only thing I'm looking for are dailies on one page for my half letter, but I'm really thinking about going ahead and ordering these. You know what? I know y'all don't think y'all helped me with this. You did. I'm going to order this probably this week. Go ahead and get that in. Or maybe I'll wait. But I don't know. I don't trust y'all. I don't trust y'all in these planner streets. That's what I like to say. I just don't trust y'all. Y'all are going to get everything. And then by the time I place my order, Ashley's like sold out. Sold out. All right, I have another small order that I just want to go ahead and show you with this because y'all know I need to give Sweet Caress Design some love. This is my favorite. Okay, I know some of you saying, we know. My favorite sticker shop. I didn't place a big order, y'all. I did not place a big order. I'm proud of myself, but I think I'm going back. All right, so this is a freebie right here. This is Give Thanks Sweater Weather. This is for November. This is what I got that I just fell in love with. This is the Neutral Boho collection, and it has the dates and then Sunday, days of the week, this week, and then some drop stickers. This is the Abstract Earth collection. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. The Abstract Earth collection right here with Buildu, Laundry. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Abstract Earth collection. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Look at those stickers. And I believe they're transparent. I don't really want to touch them. Yes, they are transparent. Oh my gosh. And then I needed these right here, personal. So y'all, I have something new coming in that I'm going to share with y'all. Hopefully this week, maybe. That's what these stickers are going to go for. Is it a new planner? I don't know. You're going to have to wait and see. You're going to have to wait and see. But all of these stickers will be used in that I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll let y'all know what it is. All right, so this is everything that I got for my planners for our upcoming 2023. Guys, let me know. Have y'all started thinking about 2023? I know y'all gonna say no. No, some of y'all might say yes. I do have some friends on here that are kind of crazy like me. I just like to get it and kind of get out the way so that everybody can come and buy up everything. And I go to the site and it says sold out. But let me know what planners are you planning on using for 2023? Or no, not what planners. What inserts are you planning on using for 2023? And what company are they from? I would love to know that. All right, so thank y'all for joining me here today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming by. Please consider subscribing. I think this is a great group of people that love everything planners. We love everything paper and pen over here. So please consider subscribing. Hey, everyone else, click on the notification bell and don't forget to give this video a like. Give it a thumbs up, please. That goes a long way, more than you know. All right, so y'all have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.